welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sadie. Make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss an upload. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back to my channel for another video. So today's video is sponsored by my friends over at ULAHAIR. Oh my god, I got the sign upside down. ULAHAIR. Look how cute this bag is. So today's video is sponsored by them, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this 24-inch, I believe it's a deep wave or water wave closure lace wig. So yeah, if you want to see how I install this and the 3 products that I use, make sure that you stay tuned for the next clip. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be having a few hair videos coming for y'all, so you know, make sure you guys support and use my coupon code that will be in the description box. I really love this hair. It's so pretty. It actually gets a little poofy if you let it, but for the most part I like my hair wet down. It's a 24-inch, and this is how it like falls on me, like this, y'all. So it falls like right on your breast. So really cute. I like this hair. Make sure you guys shop with them. I have no complaints about this hair. It is so pretty. It's so soft. Now the only thing I will say, just to give y'all a heads up, it does shed a little bit, which is perfectly normal for curly hair. So like, as you know, put your product in, it will shed a little bit, but for the most part, really good, super easy to install, and it's perfect for the summertime. Like, listen, this is gonna be my baby for the summer. Okay, so yeah, thumbs up this video, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Okay, so as you guys can, as we talked about in the last clip, we're going to be doing a hair review from ULAHAIR. This is, well, let's just go through the whole thing. So this is how the bag comes. This is how they give you the hair. Super cute satin bag. I love these bags. I'm a collector of these bags because I need these bags for my hair when I take it out. So when you open it, let's see what comes in it. Okay, let me put it down. And let's just see. That's what I got on my little bonnet. Okay, oh, this is cute. So we have a comb that says ULAHAIR, Rake Tea Comb, perfect. We also have a wig cap that's actually my hair color, perfect. We also have a book here, ULAHAIR. Let me turn this down just a little bit. And guys, everything for this hair is going to be in the description box along with the coupon code, so you can use it. So it tells you the instructions, what you can and can't use, give you some recommendations on what to use on this hair. Then we also have another little booklet. Their branding and marketing is amazing. All right, so free hair, how you can get free hair. We got some details for their social media. They're on Instagram, YouTube as well. We also got some super cute lashes. This is cute. I'm gonna start collecting these lashes because when I do a giveaway for my 20K giveaway, I'm going to put different things in the bag. Okay, and then last but not least is the hair, and this is a 24-inch. 24-inch. Ooh, gotta remember. I'm putting it across the screen because I don't remember. Okay, so this is how the hair comes. There we go. It is a 24-inch deep, I believe it's deep wave. So this is how the hair comes. Look how pretty that is. Look at that curl pattern. It has a net on it, so let me take off the net. And this is really easy to install. So typically I don't install my wigs, but because this is a really easy wig to install, I'm gonna install it. I just took off the net. It comes with a net. Really cute because that keeps the hair intact. Okay, so let's get into this wig. Let me kind of show y'all. You see that? See that part? And that part is nice. Okay, so then we have this. This is how the hair comes. The curl is really tight. You see that? It's bouncy. Okay, and I'm not mad at it. So for the front of the wig, this is the bit of lace that it leaves on. Just a little bit, which is cool for me because I like low maintenance hair. This is the inside of the wig. It has clips and combs. You see those 2 combs? It has a band, which is adjustable. It has 3 hooks. And then it also has comb in the back of the wig, as well as this. So that's pretty much how the wig looks. It's really, really pretty. This is how the hair looks in this natural state. So I'm gonna actually put some product on it because I prefer it just a little bit bigger. So, but that's the hair in the natural state, and like I told y'all, it's a 24-inch. Okay, so all right, let's see. Oh, and look, you can take it off. You can take this band off. So I may take it off. Let's see. Okay, so that's that. So let me take this bonnet off, and then we could kind of see what it's giving. Let me take the tag off. So again, thank you, ULAHAIR, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to shop, make sure that you check out my description box because I am going to have a code for you guys. All right, so let's see. Because I just kind of want to size it to my head. Whew. Okay, so what I'm also going to do, oh, there we go, it's laid right then and there. So what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put a little makeup right here in the inside though, and then we're just going to cut this off, and I'm going to use a razor to cut this off, but let me just make sure it's fitting on my hand. So as you guys can see, this is how the hair looks in the natural state. This is how it looks. It comes about to my bra strap. Let me see. Okay, so this is how the hair sits on me. Okay, you see, real bouncy. Okay, so this is what it's giving. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take me an eyebrow razor. Let me go get my eyebrow razor and my makeup brush, and then I'm gonna come right back. Oh, this is so pretty. And what I love about this hair is, like, y'all, the summertime. Now mind y'all, we got Memorial Weekend coming up, we got 4th of July, we got all the summer functions. And the beautiful part about this, it's you can take it off and take it on, or you could get it installed. It just depends what you're looking for. Before I forget, because just as I forget to say it, let me show y'all. So this is what I use on my curly hair. I just had some other curly hair in, and this is what I used on it. So I used the silicone mix. It's $9.99 from the hair store, and then I used this Lotta Body. It's like it's a shine mist. So I just put a little bit because this stuff is thick. You literally need a size of a dime, and that's it. And I mix these two, a little bit of water, and then I get up and go. So and then sometimes you could take a little like rake comb if you want to like poof it out a little bit like that. That'll give you that big volume. Let me see. Yeah, see how it's giving you that big hair look right there? So you could, if that's the look you're going for, you could, because that's how I do mine. Let me show y'all. But you need some product too to keep it tamed. It could get big, but you want it tamed. So let me go get my eyebrow archer. I'm gonna cut the lace off on camera, but I'm gonna show y'all how I put the makeup on there, and then yeah, this is the little makeup brush I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna use this darker foundation. This is not my color foundation, but my color sometimes be a little bit too bright, so that's good. And then this is what I was saying, the eyebrow archer, because I think that's just better. Let me see. Well, you know what, now I'm gonna cut it off camera, and then I'm gonna come back. Well, you know what we could do? Let's cut it on camera, and then what we'll do is I'm gonna show y'all how I do the makeup trick. So hold on. And I like the eyebrow archer because it gives it like a rigged type of cut. Sometimes when you use scissors, it just go right across. Or you could use like the kitty scissors. That'll give you like a rig, like a little, you know, a little zigzag type of cut. Whereas sometimes when you use I'm gonna still have to cut this more off this lace, but let's just see. So this is how much I got cut off. And then let's just do a little bit of foundation. And let's see what it's giving. Yeah, I haven't done a hair video in a minute. Okay, so let me tell you what's been going on with me. School has been like beating me up. It's been beating. School has been beating me up, y'all. I've been so tired, but it's the end of the semester, thank God. And so you just apply your foundation in the middle. But yeah, so that's what's been going on with me. So now that school is coming to an end, then I turned around and signed up for summer classes. I play too much, but it's okay. It's gonna be worth it in the end. You know, anything worth having is worth working for. If that, I don't know. I hope that made do that. I hope that y'all got what I'm trying to say. So yeah. Okay, I could make it a little bit darker. Let me go a little bit darker. Cause see, y'all see how I done darkened it up. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing. Y'all been working. You know, I try to, you know, do my content, but you know, sometimes I understand too that like social media is social media, so I try not to get. But I need to stop looking at it like that too, because sometimes I was like, that's social media. But no, if you trying to make, you know, if you're trying to be serious about it, you got to stay consistent. But then sometimes I'll be like, man, real life be life, and you get what I'm saying? So I just be like, I got to handle my business in real life and not just this social media stuff, you know. But yeah, so that's what's been going on with your girl. Okay, let's see. Let's see, what is it? Oh, there we go. Here we go. Here we go. Cute face. Jump in my jeans. Jump in my. Pull up here. We ain't going outside. I'm feeling like best you ever had. Watch your back. That's that. Okay, I like when I do my pull-on wigs. I actually like them clips because it give you that pull look and it give your eyes all chinky. So let me do that. Okay. Okay. Okay, you lie. Okay, you lie hair. Okay, okay. You lie hair in this thing. Hey. Okay, now this is too big for me, so let me go to work. So we're gonna use this. Okay, we're gonna use this just a little bit. Let's see what it's giving. Ooh. Alrighty. It's definitely giving that. Let me get a little bit of water. Let's see what it's giving. A little water action tease. It's a water bottle, girl. I don't even got no hair. Huh. Yes, Miss Mamas. Y'all see how big this hair is? Oh my goodness. And you could put you some mousse at the top. I'm gonna probably do a little mousse to, you know, calm the girls down.